Hello and welcome to Orin-X. In this video we will talk about the introduction to PHP. If you enjoyed the video, like, comment and subscribe to Orin-X. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell down below for more creative videos. PHP stands for Hypertext Preprocessor, and it's a server-side scripting language used for web development. It allows you to create dynamic web pages by embedding the PHP code within HTML. PHP is a popular language for web development because it's open source, easy to learn, and has a large community of developers who constantly work on improving it. Additionally, it works well with databases like MySQL and is compatible with most web servers. Let's dive into the basic syntax of PHP. To start, you need to wrap your PHP code within PHP tags, which are PHP and. For example, the echo statement is used to output the text, in this case, hello, world. This is a common way to test your PHP installation. Speaker, in PHP, you can use variables to store values. Variables are declared with a $sign followed by the variable name. For example, in this example, we declared a variable $message and assigned it a value of hello, world. Then, we used the echo statement to output the value of the $message variable. PHP supports several data types, including strings, integers, floats, booleans, and arrays. Let's see an example of a string. Speaker, in this example, we declared a string variable $name and assigned it a value of John Doe. Then, we used the echo statement to output the message my name is John Doe. Outro music and animation with the title Introduction to PHP and its basic syntax. Speaker, and that's a basic introduction to PHP and its syntax. Stay tuned for more videos on PHP. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Like and subscribe to Orin-X. See you guys in the next video.